What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be using the capo on the first fret. If you guys don't have it, don't worry about it. You guys can still follow along, it's just not going to sound the same. Yeah, let's start off with the chords. So the first chord that we're going to use is G. Okay. And then we're going to use a B minor, or if you want to take off your pinky, that's a D minor 7. Then we're going to use C, E minor, and D. Alright, so now those chords right there are the main chords, the verses, the intro, verse, chorus, and then we're going to learn the bridge, which has two different chords there, but let's start off with these. Here is the strum pattern using that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So it's very simple, just down strums, kind of has that it has a swing to it. So starting with G, the first strum is just going to be a long one, and then the second one you're going to cut it short, strum, though we're also going to stop the string. So I have the chords on the screen, you guys can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now that is for all the main parts, verses, the chorus. Now we're going to get into learning the bridge. So here's an example of that. Starting with the C, we're going to do 4 strums 2 times, so total 8, which goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go to G, do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then on D, we're actually doing this 12 times. So in my head I'm thinking, you know, 3 down strums 4 times. So you go, since it's a 3 count, you go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's a total of 12 there. So again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now let's try and put that together. I'll try to go as slow as possible so you guys can follow along. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then right after that, it goes into like that little chorus. Now for this part here, it's going to go G, and then instead of D minor, we're actually going to do a D7. So I have the chords on the screen, you guys can try to, that's how the chords should sound. Into C, and then we're going to do a C minor, which the okay, let me see. No, that's a C. So it's like the D minor here, just moving it up. So again, G, D7, C, and then C minor. So let's try from the top of the bridge, and down is the same strum pattern too. So top of the bridge will go slow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So. D. And then D7. That might be a little hard. C. C minor, you can just let down ring. So let's try that again let's start from the G. So if anything, I'll have the chords down in the description or in the comment section. You guys can follow that. But if you guys haven't yet, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Give this video a like. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Or also go check out the ukulele version of this that I'll have. And yeah, see ya.